Zenith is special because it offers students a space to become their full 360 self, the perfect combination of creative with quantitative.
The Zenith program came about in collaboration with one of our alumni, Keishi Hotsuki, as we were talking about the importance of emotional intelligence in our students getting to the next level of leadership.
Zenith is a one-year leadership development program for second-year MBAs at the Tepper School of Business. It really thrives because it capitalizes on the interdisciplinary strengths of Carnegie Mellon.
One of our challenges was how to translate our own ideas onto paper in a way that brought our teams along with us. What Zenith has brought to life for me is how to continually actually work on those skills and improve them.
It's not as linear as we think in business, so it's been a really great way to learn about how to apply that to leadership.
Mapping out my ideas into a visual depiction has really helped me unlock new ways of thinking and unlock innovation that I wouldn't have thought of.
It's a refreshing experiment for us, learning how to approach problems from a different perspective.
Zenith has been a place where I could look forward 20, 30 years, think of the leader that I plan to be, and I don't get that in too many other places.
We had an opportunity at Zenith to do a skit writing agility lab, and it's something that I've never done in my life. That exercise unlocked something in me that says I should really lean into my wit and humor because of all of the people that I'm connecting with in this room who have never met me before.
Is the things that make us intrinsically human, like creative inquiry, emotional intelligence, those are the things that will advance people in their leadership.